Cinco de Mayo is only a couple days away, and while I love tacos as much as the next person, I thought I'd shake things up with something that's new, that's bursting with Tex-Mex flavor. So today, we're making a fun pull-apart bread with a tasty twist. It's easy, and it goes together like this. The next time that you're at the store, pick up a round, crusty sourdough or hearty white bread, like this one. Then, using a serrated knife, make cuts 2 inches deep, roughly an inch apart. Turn the bread and then repeat that one more time so you end up with a crisscross pattern. Now we mix cream cheese with a bit of taco seasoning, a can of chopped green chilies, some cilantro, and a good amount of shredded Mexican cheese blend. We spread this into the slits, making sure that there's plenty of cheesy goodness in every bite. This will get wrapped in foil and into the oven it goes until the bread and filling are piping hot. Come party time, peel back the foil and sprinkle on some grated queso cotija, which is a Mexican-style cheese, and let the festivities begin. As you pull apart the crusty bread, out comes the cheesy filling. To get the recipe for our Fiesta pull-apart bread, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun and festive way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Fun and festive, isn't it? You get all over your face. You look like a cojita.